Good morning, bro. Good morning. Good morning. Thank you for bringing me your elephant. That is so sweet. Happy Sunday. Welcome to the vlog, you guys. Just got back. Yes, hi. I'm sorry. I'm just so obsessed when I get home from somewhere and he greets me with his favorite toy. Just breaks my heart. Excuse me, sir. You were very cuddly with me last night. He was extra cuddly last night. Anyway, I was gonna say, I just got back from Orange Theory. It feels illegal to work out on Sundays sometimes. I'm like, isn't this supposed to be a day of rest? I just always feel like when I'm working out on a Sunday, I'm like, I'm tired. I wish I was sleeping in. No, but it felt good to get a little workout in, a little movement. You are something else. The tail. Okay, guys, so we got this new creamer yesterday at Target. Califia Farms almond milk creamer, pumpkin spice. Oh my gosh, it's literally so good. And I'm gonna do it with the Starbucks cold brew. I honestly don't know if I taste the difference between that and this, just like the normal iced coffee. I guess this tastes a little more strong, a little more cold brewy. I can't talk yet until I've had my big cup of coffee. I always think how it looks like Diet Coke when it's just like this. Okay, let's do like a big pour so it's really yummy. Oh yeah, this is so good. Oh, it's so sweet. Total sugar 2 grams. Why does it taste so sweet? Maybe just like natural sugars or something. So I don't know if this will be like in the title or not, so I don't know if you already know, but today is a big day. Well, I guess for me, since Max and I are pretty much always together since we live together, but he is actually off to training camp tomorrow morning since the hockey season is starting up, and I'm going to go home to Albany for the week with Brody because why not? Like, I could hang out alone here with him, which would be fine, and we'll probably end up being here alone at the end of the week because basically Max is going to the Flyers training camp, and from there we will see which team he starts with this season, whether it be Flyers or Lehigh Valley Phantoms, which is where we live right now in Lehigh Valley, you guys know, and where he played last season. So we will see, and basically it's for the next week, but then it goes right into preseason games. So all I'm trying to say is we might be away from each other for a little bit, just depending on how everything works out. So yeah, I just wanted to vlog our last day together. I'm so dramatic. It's like we're gonna be away from each other for maybe a week and a half or like 2 weeks. But I don't know, if you live with your significant other, then you're obviously just so used to that every day, so it's like gonna feel like a different change. But I'm so excited to be with my mom and my sister. We've been like making plans already, being like, we want to go apple picking. Like, I'm so excited to see Teddy. So my friends back home, Taylor's gonna come home to Albany to visit since I'll be there. I'm gonna see Hannah, Orange Theory, blah, blah, blah. Like, it's gonna be so much fun. But so I have to pack today, get all my stuff together. Brody, oh my gosh, he loves being in Albany, being with Teddy. He's obsessed with Lucy, loves my mom. So he is gonna be, you can be so excited. Are we going to Albany? I wish he like knew words. I don't think he does. Are we going to Albany tomorrow? Yeah, are we going to Albany? We're going to Albany. You're gonna see your Uncle Teddy. But yeah, I gotta pack today. I'm sort of thinking, when I was driving home from Orange Theory, I'm like, maybe I want to make a reservation somewhere for dinner and like surprise Max because it's gonna be our last night together. I'm like literally so dramatic. No, but I don't know. I just like finding a reason to celebrate anything, and it's exciting, like a new hockey season coming up, and we're just really, I don't know, excited for him this hockey season, and I'm proud of him for like signing a new contract here for the next 2 years at the Flyers organization. So it could just be fun to celebrate him going off to camp, and yeah, maybe I'll do that. Maybe I'll make a dinner reservation tonight. I gotta look into what's available. Now it's lunchtime and I'm just making one of our favorite HelloFresh meals. These are the beef flautas. I feel like I always say that wrong. Flautas Supreme. So good. Any of their like tacos, flautas, enchiladas, I love so much. So basically, if you guys haven't heard of HelloFresh before, where have you been? Because I have had a subscription with them for years now. Like I pay for my own everything. You guys know that. We are so obsessed with HelloFresh. This is one of our favorite recipes and it just makes it so fun. And not like stressful to cook lunch, cook dinner. And I love their app on my phone. Side note, because I'll just look through the recipes each week and I'll like pick out my recipes for the next week, if that makes sense. So there's literally new recipes every week, you guys. They always have new recipes on there, so you never get sick of anything. You can break out of your recipe rut. And as you can see right now, I'm just taking all the ingredients out. Everything is pre-portioned, pre-measured, so it just makes it really simple and easy. You can't mess them up, honestly. And obviously it just takes all the prep out of the way. There's less food waste and they're amazing. So I am going to get to cooking. And if you guys haven't tried out HelloFresh before, if you've always wanted to try, I obviously could not recommend enough. They are like a staple for Max and I. We like would not eat without them. We would just eat out every meal, which isn't good. So if you guys want to use my code, I know my code has stayed the same for them. So if you go to hellofresh.com, you can use my code GGYT14. You'll get 14 free meals and free shipping. And let's get cooking. Voila, you guys, that was so quick. I can't believe I'm done already. This one is like so simple and easy. Also, since I've made this one like several times before, I feel like I get even quicker every time because I like remember the steps and how to do it. This one says 30 minutes, but I honestly think I went even quicker. So yeah, sometimes you can like beat the estimated time. That's my favorite. Oh yeah, I'm hungry. I can't wait to see Max's reaction. He just got home. He's gonna love.
Wow, what a nice little treat this is. This looks wonderful.
Wait, that reminds me how yesterday I was saying, we were talking about like things we picked up from each other. I picked up so many sayings from you, like, what a treat.
What a nice little treat this is.
What else? Oh, do you want some?
Getting crumbs. Wow, this looks amazing.
Okay, here we go. You know what? I remember making this so specifically. You were on the phone with your dad about hockey. And that's so fitting because I was telling them how today's like a big day because it's our last day together before training camp. So I feel like I'm always making these when you're like busy with hockey.
That was the biggest bite ever.
Was it good?
Yeah, it was.
Joking.
I was like right up in the canvas grill too.
You know what? I need to do this more often where...
You put it in the oven.
Well, I did put it in the oven.
No, I know.
But...
when we do like normal tacos.
I know, because it's so good. I was going to say, like, start making food before I'm hungry because I know I'm going to be hungry because I feel like we will always be like, oh, it's 7 p.m. We're really hungry for dinner. Guess we should start. And then it's like you have it like 30, 45 minutes later, whatever. And like I started cooking lunch at like 11:30, which seems so early. But now it's 12 and we're eating and it's like, freak yeah. Like lunch is ready at 12, you know?
What? Uh-oh.
This is a good time to tell you. No, not that big. But I made a reservation for dinner tonight.
Really?
Somewhere new.
New? Limeport Inn.
No. But that we heard about that place to go there. But I did look at that. Might be so many places around here are closed on Sundays.
Oh
It's
yeah,
a place,
so it's not Top Cut.
We haven't been there. No, not Top Cut because they're closed. But I've heard of it and I feel like I've seen it. And I was telling them how I wanted to like make a reservation since it's our last night together and it'll be like fun. And I'm like, I'm so dramatic, like our last night. Like we'll see each other in like a week and a half.
Did you tell them what we might do with Brody? Or no?
Oh no.
I'm not sure yet.
But we have to like look into it more. I guess I'll tell you guys. We were at the park the other day and it was clearly like a trainer with a dog and the dog was walking perfectly off leash. Like not being distracted by Brody or other people or other dogs, anything. And we were like, oh my gosh, we wish he could walk off leash like that. So then we passed them and we were like, hey, do you have a business card? She might have even had a backpack or something that said like off leash training, whatever. And so she gave us one. And I was looking at before and after videos last night. I still have to show them to you.
Of what's his name?
Incredible. It was, oh, I forget the dog's name.
No.
No. Casey, I don't remember. It was a black lab. But basically the before reminded me, Murphy. The before reminded me so Murphy's your dog. Shout out. The before reminded me so much of Brody, where like 1 year old, okay, like good dog. He wouldn't really heel. He was kind of just like walking with the trainer. That's like what Brody does. Like if we said heel, he'd be like, huh? Would like sit down, but only sometimes if they feel like it. Probably especially if you have food. But I want it to be like so like, I want it to be like conditioned to do all these things. And the after was insane. It would lay down from 100 yards away. It would stay in public with so many people and dogs and just like be so focused on the trainer. So I kind of want to do more training.
I'd only just get nervous if he comes back and he just doesn't listen. Because they'll only do it with like their trainers. Yeah. Because they worked with him on it.
I know.
Like we're going to have to like
work with him on it too, like every day, so that I know. In the video I'll show you, it was showing like the family with the dog after and how he would listen to them too. So you probably just have to be like, do exactly what the trainer did. But yeah. If you guys have ever done any training with your dog like that.
Like send away camp.
What do you think? Because this one, there's options. So I think that type of off-leash stuff, you have to send them away. I mean, it's like here, but it would be minimum a week.
Boarding.
Yeah, it would be like a week, 2 weeks. And then they might have had other ones where you could just like go like puppy classes like he did, but here he did that. So I feel like this could be, but if you guys have any experience with that with your dogs, comment down below. But I think I would cry every day if he was gone for a week. So that made me really sad. Guess we'll see. Oh, again, HelloFresh.
This was delicious. Below. I'm about to go more.
I've been talking to him. You know my code? Do you remember?
Gretchen 20.
No.
Gretchen G20. GG20.
GGYT14.
GGYT.
YT.
40.
14. Are you okay? GGYT14.
GGYT14. Why 14?
Did you hear me?
Oh, 14 free meals.
14 free meals. There you go.
I should have known.
It's way later, and I kind of was just like running around. Yeah, the last thing I showed you was lunch. Ever since then, I feel like I've been running around, packing some more, just getting everything ready to go. I can't believe I'm leaving tomorrow, and Max's camp starts tomorrow. That kept seeming like so far away, but here we are. I want to show you guys, I'm all ready for dinner, and I want to show you my outfit. Okay, here we go. Try to set it up so you could see the whole thing. Yay! So these black jeans I just got from Princess Polly. They're like the crisscross waist one, you know, with like the asymmetrical waist, and I love them. They're like so comfy. This white top I have been dying to wear, and I got it on Revolve. It's for Love and Lemons, and obviously it's very like summery, but I never got a chance to wear it, and I'm like, I need to wear it while it's still warm out. So yeah, and these shoes are just like little beige heel thing sandals that I also got from Princess Polly, and I think they're so cute. So that's my little outfit. I wonder what Max is gonna wear. We're having like an early dinner, I feel like tonight, but that's good because we both have like early busy mornings and days tomorrow. But yeah, it's my outfit of the night. Vlogging on my phone, forgot my camera, but we are at this place called Blue. Blue.
I like how you were keeping it a secret from me, but I've never heard of this place.
I know, so like I could have told you the name. I think it's called Blue Grill House, and it looks so nice, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
I was like, I want, when we go out to eat, we like fancy food.
Like the ambiance.
Yes. Like it looks so nice, but I don't think it's like really fancy. I think it's like steak though. I think it's like a steakhouse. It's our fave.
I'm happy with whatever.
We decided to sit outside because it's so nice out. And we got a big table all to ourselves. Okay, we already love this place. Everything looks so good. We're like, okay, we need oysters and spinach artichoke dip. And like those look good. Lobster bisque, hummus, tuna tartare. Ooh, that looks so good. Oh, freak yeah, you guys. They're out of oysters. But that's okay.
We'll be back for those.
Yes. The lobster bisque looks so good. Appetizer number 2. Wait, what is it called again? I forget. Spinach artichoke dip. This one looks so good. Nothing beats the one from Joe's though, on Newberry Street. The one from Joe's is so good. Little baby filet. Ooh, those look good. Mashed potatoes.
So you're gonna help me with this?
New York strip. Oh yeah. Okay, it's so dark.
Yeah. Come over
But
here by the light.
there's a koi pond. It's so cute out here. I don't know why. It's just like pretty. It's really hard to see. Koi pond. all the lights and like the fire and stuff. I don't know, it's just like cute. What a fun day. Surprise, I'm home. Whoa. And I never ended off this vlog. I like, in my mind, thought that we were gonna be doing like so much fun stuff on Sunday. Wait, what day is it today? Tuesday. Anyway, it's 2 days later now. I'm ending through the vlog and I did not end it off. Bye, Lucy. And like I thought we were gonna do all this fun stuff, like I said, like our last day together. But then he was packing to leave for camp. I was packing to come here. And then he was like napping because he was tired. I laid down for sex. I was so tired from packing, like getting all my stuff together, tying up all my loose ends. And then you just saw the footage from dinner. So that was that. Yay! Reunited. Your yerba. Remember when we went in Allentown? And you couldn't find the flavor
There was
you
none.
wanted?
And no, there was one yerba mate, and it was like there was a dent in it. It was like leaking all
like
over the cooler.
So sad. Brody is really happy we drove here yesterday because
Don't drink my yerb.
Yeah, don't drink that. Because Lucy is his favorite person.
You've been following me around.
He is literally her shadow, you guys. Anywhere Lucy is, Brody is there. Sleeps with her, follows her around. What are you doing?
Yeah, we're like little sidekick.
And then I said, you have the pros and the cons. He loves you. He follows you over. You're the little sidekick. A con, a negative is he wakes you up at 8 a.m. to bring him out and not me because he's with you.
Yeah, and
What
when he
are
throws
you
up
doing?
at 3 a.m., I'm awake with him.
I don't know what happened. If he got into Teddy's food, he literally never throws up. He threw up in the middle of the night. So. What are you doing over here? Are you digging in the cushions? I know, he just knocked it on the ground. What are you doing? You guys should do the TikTok. Glitter, glitter, glitter. Girls, girls, girls. Linda and Heather, best friends forever. Or no, it just goes, best friends. Yeah, that's you too. Yes. Thought I'd give you a little taste of home since I will do like a home vlog here. But since I'm going to be here for like 9 days, I'll probably, I don't know, start that later or it'll go up like a lot after this. So thought I'd give you a little hello at Lucy and her
Look at
sidekick.
our little mirror. Root for little OOTD.
Oh my god. This poor living room is like a mishmash of things. This is probably like a comforter from college. This was a mirror that we had in my Boston apartment. It still has this on it. We put it up when we went to dinner for Max when he signed his first professional contract, and it's like stayed there this whole time. I don't know how, but anyway. So regal right now. Look at the like leaves like coming through the wind. I don't know. You know what I mean? Oh, we're going on a little walk. Expect a fun home vlog to come. We're talking quietly in the living room because my mom's on a work call right now. You can probably hear her. And yeah, that's all. Hopefully this vlog was like a little eventful. I was like, it was on Sunday and I was like, it's my last day with Max. It's gonna be so fun. We literally like packed the whole day and got our shit together and didn't.
You guys went out to dinner though, right?
Yeah, I did vlog that. Mommy was like, bring home that really good carrot cake again. That was the best. And I was like, oh, that's from a different restaurant. But top cut, that carrot cake,
little plane.
unbeatable. He like loves it here. He just has a field day. It's like a freaking.
This is my favorite plant. Don't eat the leaf.
He like has so much fun exploring here because his house is so big and there's just like stuff everywhere to get into. Oh.
Scurried by.
Well, thank you for watching this vlog. Be excited for my home vlog to come. She goes, thank you.
Thank you. We should braid our hair together because our hair is so long.
Oh my god, okay.
Then we'll be conjoined.
There you go. Except for you have 10 times the amount of hair as I do. Look at this thin little straggler.
It's funny, this is like half my hair. Here's the rest.
And my hairdresser like tells me I have thick hair and I always fight with her and I'm like, literally no. Her hair is like 10 pounds.
I guess I need to go to your hairdresser now.
I know, I want to tell her I do not have thick hair. My sister does. Anyway, you're eating wood chips from the plant. Thank you for watching this vlog. Love you. Keep trying to edit off. See you in my next vlog when apparently we're braiding our hair together. Okay.